Dental implants. The future of your smile starts today. Are you missing teeth and dreaming of a confident smile again? You're not alone. Over 3 million Americans already have dental implants, and that number grows every year. But what exactly are dental implants? How do they work? Are they safe? And are they worth the investment? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dental implants, the high-tech, long-lasting solution for missing teeth that's changing lives across the United States. From titanium roots that fuse with your jawbone to realistic crowns that look and feel like real teeth, we'll explore the science, the benefits, and the truth about costs with real patient stories and expert opinions. Did you know dental implants can preserve your facial structure, prevent bone loss, and restore your ability to eat and speak naturally, all with a 98% success rate? And if you're worried about pain, recovery time, or affordability, don't click away. We'll break down every detail you need to know. With no fluff, just facts. This could be the most important 15 minutes you spend for your dental health. Whether you've lost one tooth or several, there's hope, and modern dentistry is on your side. Click play now to discover the life-changing truth about dental implants, because a better smile isn't just cosmetic, it's transformational. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Your smile matters. Let's rebuild it together.